welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make salsa stuffed green peppers. Very tasty. I add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it to kick it up a bit. So please subscribe, ring that bell, and come and try all my delicious other recipes. I have a baked ham on here. I'm telling you, it turned out so good. I mentioned horseradish, so I don't know if that's what the problem is, but you have to give it just a try. You can make it for dinner, hot, and then later on slice it down for lunch meat. It has such a taste, and my grandchildren even noticed how good it was. So, what's that tell you? Okay, today we're going to make stuffed green peppers. So you cut the pepper like that, and you pull this out. Pull all this out. Like that. It's pretty clean, but I'm going to rinse it under cold water. Okay, so it's rinsed under cold water. We're going to stick it in there like that, and then we're going to fill these with our recipe. So, let's get started. Get our pan frying hot. Get started, the pan's heating up. I'm going to start with 1 pound of hamburger. Let's break it all up. So we fry it up, and now I'm going to add a frozen corn. All that up. Now we're going to add a jar of salsa, chunky, mild salsa. It's so good, and it really seriously looks good. I'm going to salt it up a little bit. And I'm going to salt like the inside of the green peppers like this. Now I'm going to stir in my rice. You make it according to your recipe on your box. You start out with a cup of dried rice, and cook it according to your box, your recipe box. You cook it according to whatever recipe is on the back of the rice box. Stir this up real good. I'm going to sprinkle a little tiny bit of cayenne pepper to give it a kick up. Okay, it's pretty well ready to get stuffed into the peppers. Okay, so now we're ready to stuff the peppers. We're going to either put a lid on this or you can put aluminum foil over it. I'm probably just going to put a lid on it. There's one. Looks like I need about 10 other peppers. Looks beautiful. I'll just put this on the side. I'm going to salt it a little bit. And then I'm going to cover this. You can put aluminum foil over it. And bake it for about 20 minutes on 425. I'm going to put a lid on it then too. Okay, it is done. It was in the oven for 20 minutes and I took it out and topped it with cheese and put it back in for a couple minutes till the cheese melted.